Hello guys, welcome to my Sonde From. This is episode 3 and thank you for joining me today. I want to welcome you back. If you want, you can follow along and that would be so much fun. And I want to show you the ingredients. For the roux, 1/4 cup of flour and 1/4 cup of oil. 2 teaspoons of both Italian seasoning and chives. I have a chicken bouillon cube. I have 1 can of chicken a la king. I have 1 can of sweet peas. And I also have 1 can of chicken rotini soup. Okay, so let's get started. Add the flour and oil to the pot. So I got this roux going. Let's see, it's 1/4 cup of flour and 1/4 cup of oil. And I just mixed it up and got it to this creamy consistency. So by mixing it up, it's gonna prevent smoking and all that stuff you don't want in your house. So now, I think I see it clumping up. So make sure you get all those clumps out before you move on to the next process. My bouillon is going in. Gotta get it in. There we go. It's waking up. Waking up. Now, peas. Sorry, I'm just trying to unstick the pan, but give them a nice mix, get them warmed through so you can move on to the next step. Okay, get these herbs in, the chives, the Italian seasonings. Mix that. You don't want to mush them up, just give them a good toss. And then let's add this chicken a la king. Now, gonna open this can. Give it a mix. this whole can of soup in there. Make sure the bottom doesn't stick. Be sure to stir it nice and good and gently. That way you don't mush up the vegetables or the noodles in there. Now mine's a little thick for my liking. I don't know if you like yours thick. If it gets too thick, you can just add water. So I put about a cup of water in there. And then let's just let it do its magic. Cover it. Give it a stir. Look how thick that is. So I know you're probably thinking that it's too watery for you, so use less water. But you do probably want to use water because, well, one, there was too much salt in it to not put water, and two, it was made from a roux, so it was going to thicken with the heating, and you don't want it to burn the bottom before it's even cooked. So therefore, I added a cup of water. You can use less. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye-bye. Girl, give me a spin. That looks too good. Huh? Hope you guys enjoy it.